I'm Hayden Landingham.
Catherine Fahey.
Welcome to our TED Talk.
Our topic today is about pizza, but for this series, it's going to be about pizza tossing and pizza cutting.
Why we chose this topic. We chose pizza cutting and pizza tossing because all three of us love pizza. We are really interested in knowing more about how experienced chefs are able to toss pizza so effortlessly through the air. And we're also interested in the art of pizza cutting.
Before we tried to attempt to toss some pizza, we wanted to take some time to explain the physics of why pizza tossing is possible. After that, we will explain pizza cutting and show you how the pros cut their pizza.
There are three major advantages of tossing a pizza instead of rolling out the dough. First, there is effort, speed, and ease of handling. There are four distinct phases of handling a pizza.
First is the parabolic flight, which is the arc curve that the pizza follows in the air. Second is impact, when the chef's hand catches the pizza. Third, sticking contact, which is when the chef is gripping the pizza. And fourth, sliding contact as the chef prepares to toss the dough again. By using those four descriptions and durations, we can solve the art of pizza
There's
tossing.
also two types of pizza tossing, single and multiple. For both, optimal motion is helical, or spiral-like. When dough is at rest, torque, or twisting, must be passed to the dough via sliding or static friction.
When the dough is in the air, it's airborne. Rotational speed matches the rotational speed the chef gives at the moment of separation.
In the air, the pizza starts to get its flat circular shape through its centrifugal force.
Centrifugal force pushes force away from the center of rotation, while the pizza is being tossed so the edges will be smooth and even.
Now we will begin explaining the physics between pizza cutting.
We found in our research that pizza cutters are used instead of knives because of the basic laws of physics. Here are some of the factors why.
First, the person using the cutter is exerting a force, so the cutter works. As a result of this exerted force, the rounded pizza cutter moves in a circle, producing its own force. Centripetal force, along with centripetal acceleration.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Looks like the pizza's just about ready. So, we're going to be talking about another reason why the knife would be less efficient for using to cut the pizza. First of all, it uses a sawing back and forth motion like this. So it's harder. It's more, it causes a larger amount of friction between the knife and the pizza. Because if you think about it, going like this, going like that is a lot harder.
Lastly, and probably the most obvious reason, the back and forth motion also makes for a less attractive pizza. There is a good chance that the cheese or other toppings on top of the pizza will shift or fall off. The pizza cutter's round or circular blade prevent that from happening because the cut that it makes is as vertical as possible, decreasing the friction between the blade and the pizza. That makes the cook and the customers pleased to see the pizza they have ordered doesn't have any flaws.
Wow, that was so professional.
Catherine, that looks really hard. This is almost impossible. Yum. Yikes.
Now that's just an ugly pizza. Why this information is important, you ask? Because pizza is debatably one of the greatest meals known to man. People should know and understand the hard work and physics behind both pizza tossing and cutting.
Next time on this TED Talk series, we will be taking you into the oven and showing you the physics behind pizza cooking in the oven.
From all of us here to you, we hope that this TED Talk was
Understandable?
educational.
And inspirational.
Thanks for being in our video. Thanks for being in our video.
Thanks for letting us borrow pizza dough.
Letting us use the house, Mom.
You're welcome. I'll get out.
Oh, it's on a selfie. That's so embarrassing.
And this is a palm?
Yeah.